traders, this is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the Emini S&P futures. Today is December 3rd, 2019. What do you know? I had a free trial day today, and today was actually my worst trading day of the year. It just does not happen like that, but I want to show you, hey, it's real. It happens, drawdowns happen. However, nice recovery into the afternoon. Watch till the end of the video and you'll see I came back on live several times during the afternoon and we had a shark attack trade into the afternoon. So watch this level here. The shark attack trade, 30.90.75, opening price 30.84.75, opening price white dotted line. Okay. So as we worked our way to the right hand side, I want you to notice NF stands for no fill. Had an opportunity to get in. I generally don't trade in this red area. This is called a no trade zone for a reason. It's the opening 15-minute range, and I want you to notice when we get to the right-hand side, if we're inside that range, I don't generally go for more than 4 ticks, or I simply don't trade it. So what happened here, first trade out of the gate, no fill. Second trade, full stop out right there at around 9:41. That was painful, especially doing it in front of everybody. Now, as we get outside of our opening 15-minute range, we started to get some action to the downside. Remember the video from last night? I talked about closing below last week's low. We're going to open and go lower. That was what I said in yesterday's video. That's exactly what happened here. And as we started to work our way lower, we were still inside the opening 15-minute range. I tried to hold for a longer position. First target, second target got stopped out, paying the broker all the money, and we didn't get any further runs. Now, at this time, I'm wondering what's going on. There's a lot of tweets. We're watching different types of news sources, financial juice, tweets from President Trump, tweets from President Macron. Tariff taxes are going to go into effect. Tariffs are not going to go into effect. A lot of it going back and forth. That's the only thing I can really attribute the volatility. Another opportunity. Pulled back. I want you to notice the volatility was much higher today than I have seen in a while. An opportunity to get in here, no fill. Another opportunity, no fill. I'm trying to get into these positions, just they were moving too fast without me. And then what happens next? Full stop out. You just accept it, drive on. If you let this affect you during the trading day, you will not be worth anything when you get into some good trades, for example, as you see here in the afternoon. As we move forward, we finally get below our moving averages, another no fill. This is more no fills than I've had in a long time, and I haven't had 2 full stop outs so close to each other. But it is what it is. Then, now you got some bright side. Oh, 2 and 4. Well, why did you only go for 2 and 4? Because I'm inside the opening 15-minute range, and I don't want to mess with the volatility. Another opportunity to get in, thinking we got a pullback for a continuation, working our way back up to opening price. Nothing. First target, reduced risk stop. Oh, this is a great morning so far. Now, hopefully you hung in the room for the rest of the day, because I'm going to show you some nice trades here later on. Another no fill, just moved too fast. You can see the speed of the candle. Another reduced risk stop too. Could not get any momentum. I'm going in pretty negative into the lunchtime trading zone as we move further forward. What do we got? -4, -4. Had to force myself out. I got a couple candles against me. I also had an internal indicator go against me. Forced myself out. Another opportunity. Got in. Forced myself out at 0-0. The broker's making all the commissions, taking some losses. This is reality. You can't make it up. You don't win every single day. Now, what you can see here is we get these moving averages turn gray. That is called a tangled net. Another no fill going into the lunchtime trading zone. This is a great time to take a break. 11:30. I had actually a coaching call at 12 noon. So let's go ahead and fast forward. I had my coaching call. I stepped back in at about 1 o'clock. And then you'll notice at that time, I came in live. And we had an opportunity to get long right there at about 109, 4 ticks and 6 ticks. Another opportunity right directly behind it, 2 and 4 ticks. Another opportunity behind it, 2 and 8 ticks. This was live. I was calling these things live while I was out there. Everybody was watching me, and we're wrapping our way around opening price. But we thought we may be getting a shark attack trade. Remember, we were looking for target levels, 30.92.75, 30.94.75. Posted it in the room 3 or 4 times. Watch. Another opportunity here. This, I think, was 2 and 2. I had to force myself out. Now what? Nice pullback. We're seeing these extreme pullbacks for a continuation shark attack trade. How do you know when to enter? Watch your anchor charts. This is a signal chart. It fired off long. Nice opportunity to push up through. We we already know the nuances of a shark attack trade. I'm not going to describe it in this video, but listen to me in the shark den. We're going to bump our heads a couple times and launch higher. Where did it go? 92.75, had a little bit of a pullback. Now what? Here's where our trade goes on into the close. We get an opportunity to get in long. You've got several opportunities. Watch all these green dots and green arrows, green dots and green arrows. They're firing off. We're going to launch higher. Now here we are at 10 minutes to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Where did we hit our high of the day? 94.75. 94.75. You can't make these things up. Nice run into the close. We still ended up down the day for a couple $100, but all in all, nice recovery. Thank you for staying with me this afternoon. Please feel free to join me. I left those Cyber Monday specials up through the end of the day, and I'll see you bright and early in the Shark Den tomorrow morning. Have a great evening.